Good morning class. Today I want to describe about pair of linear equation in two variables for class 10 exercise 3.4 question number first part second. Concentrate your mind and listen my words with full concentration. My words is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Firstly I want to describe about form of pair of linear equation in two variables. a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. It is form of pair of linear equation in two variables. It is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. You can solve your question by two methods. First, geometrical method. Second, algebraical methods. Geometrical method shows three systems. First, consistent system. Second, inconsistent system. Third, consistent dependent system. It is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. If a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, then it shows intersecting line, consistent system and unique solution. If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, then it shows parallel line and inconsistent system and no solution. If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, then it shows coincident line and consistent dependent system and infinitely many solutions. It is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Now I want to describe about algebraical methods. There are three types of algebraical methods. First, substitution method. Second, elimination method. Third, cross multiplication method. You can solve your question very easily by the help of substitution methods. Firstly, I want to solve your question by substitution method. It is very easy, but you concentrate your mind and listen my words with full concentration and see the board with full concentration. My words is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Like, subscribe and share is very important for me. So do not forget, like, subscribe and share. My words is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. See the board. Pair of linear equation in two variable for class 10 exercise 3.4. Question number 1. Solve the following pair of linear equation by elimination method and by substitution method. Part second, 3x plus 4y equal to 10 and 2x minus 2y equal to 2. It is given equation. You solve given equation by substitution method. Firstly, I want to solve this equation by substitution method. Clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Solution by substitution method. Solution by substitution method. Clear? Given equation. Equations are 3x plus 4y. 3x plus 4y equal to 10. It is equation first. And 2x minus 2y equal to 2. It is equation second. Given equations are clear? No confusion about it? Very good. By the help of equation second, by the help of equation second, 2x minus 2y equal to 2. You can write minus 2y on right side of equal. It is equation second. Clear? It becomes 2x equal to 2 plus 2y. X equal to 2 plus 2y by 2. You can cut it. 2 1 ja, 2 1 ja, 2 1 ja. Clear? It becomes x equal to 1 plus y. you can write it x equal to y plus 1. You find x equal to y plus 1. Clear? Now you substituting x equal to y plus 1 in equation first. Substituting x equal to y plus 1 in equation first. Clear? Here equation first is 3x plus 4y equal to 10. It is equation first. Substitute x equal to y plus 1. Clear? Here 3 multiply y plus 1 plus 4y equal to 10. You multiply by 3 and y. It become 3y. 3 multiply 1, it become 3 plus 4y equal to 10. Clear? Here 3y, here 4y. Here plus 3. You can write plus 3 on right side of equal. And you can add 3y and 4y. It become 7y equal to 10 minus 3. 3y plus 4y become 7y. 3 with positive sign, when you write on right side of equal, then it become with minus sign. 10 minus 3 becomes 7. 7y equal to 7, y equal to 7 by 7. 1 ja, 1 ja. Y equal to 1. You find y equal to 1. Clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Now you put y equal to 1 in equation second. Equation second. Clear? Equation second is 2x minus 2y equal to 2. Clear? Y equal to 1. 2x minus 2 multiply 1 equal to 2. 2x minus 2 equal to 2. You can write minus 2 on right side of equal. Clear? It become 2x equal to 2 plus 2. Here minus 2 when you write on right side of equal, then it become plus 2. Clear? 2x equal to 4, x equal to 4 by 2. 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja. X equal to 2. You find y equal to 1 and x equal to 2. Clear? We solve. Solve the equation first and second, and we find x equal to 2, y equal to 1. It is clear? You solve your question very easily by the help of substitution method. Substitution method. Solution is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. In this way you can solve any question very easily. Clear? Like, subscribe and share is very important for you. So do not forget. Like, subscribe and share. My words is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Okay.